Give London a Lift is our fantastic scheme which supports community groups and charities in London. Each month we give 2 prizes of £1,000 store credit to 2 groups in London. This month, one of our winners is the Brompton Fountain. It's an amazing cause and we are delighted to help with these DIY materials.
The Royal Brompton Hospital is a specialist heart and lung centre here in London. The Brompton Fountain supports the children and young adults who are patients here. So these are children who have lifelong conditions, heart and respiratory conditions. So we support them and their family whilst they're in hospital and whilst they're at home. So we put on a lot of events throughout the year for the children. So this weekend we're going to Battersea Zoo, taking a number of families over there, and the following weekend as well. We do parties. Recently they've had to be online, of course, because of everything going on. So we were very grateful to receive the £1,000 from Leyland SDM, which we'll be putting towards this courtyard where we've been refreshing it over the past year. So we've put some plants in, some flowers, and it's starting to bloom and look really nice. And we're going to be using some of the money to sand down and repaint the benches here, which we're looking a little bit tired. And we'd also like to expand the fairy garden, which we've put in place here, and maybe just a few other projects, just to make it really nice for the children when they come down from the ward.
I mean, Lottie was here as a baby, and this looks much better. No, it's a godsend really, because like I say, because you want your kids out and about, don't you? You don't want them stuck in all the time. It's lovely out here. It's a really nice space. Like I say, it just makes you feel a little bit like normal.
From Leyland SDM, we've picked up some dust sheets, some sanders, some paint brushes, all the various PPE, dust masks and so on that have allowed us to carry out this transformation so far. The colleagues in Leyland SDM have been really helpful, showing us what products we should use when completing the project, and also answering any questions we have when we've spoken to them. A big thank you to Leyland SDM for their generous donation as part of the Give London a Lift scheme.
To enter our Give London a Lift competition, visit leylandsdm.co.uk/Give London a Lift.